Hi there, this is Mrs. Whitaker with a very short tutorial on how to type a successful methodology. It can be done, it is possible. Now the methodology is divided into three sections: when, where, and how. When, you're supposed to type the year group that went out as well as the name of your school that attended the field trip. You must include the date, which includes the day, month, year, and time or times that the field trip was taken. Where? This is the locations of study, and that means the places that you visited. Of course, all this information can be found on your worksheet, which you should have. The how contains more information. This will include what you use in order to get your results. So we use measuring tapes. What did you use the measuring tape to measure? You must include this. You made sketches at the two locations. What did you sketch? Took photographs. What did you use to take your photographs at the two locations? Also, too, you timed waves. What did you use to time your waves? How long did you time the waves at each location? Overall, all your data was recorded on a worksheet. It is very, very important that you put the word worksheet because this is the name of the instrument that you use to record all your data. If you exclude the word worksheet, you will lose an entire mark because this shows how all of your data was recorded and what it was recorded on. You can also mention that you also research information about coast and coastal features through the use of the internet and textbooks that have been given to you. You must write the entire methodology in the past tense, and this must flow in the document. You can type each as a section, as a paragraph, so it's easy for the reader to see how your information is flowing. That's it. Get to work. You are on your way to typing a very good and a successful methodology.